So, napag-usapan natin yung magkano, no? Alam mo, Dennis, ang number one na complaint actually ng mga clients ko when it
Mm.
comes to technology is napakamahal daw. At so, hihirapan sila, lalo na yung mga small business owners na tulad namin. Nahihirapan kami sa mga limited budget at resources namin. So,
Mm.
ano yung mga cost-effective strategies na pwede naming ma-implement para maumpisahan namin ang
There are several functions and departments in a typical business, no. Meron tayong sales, meron tayong project management, meron tayong HR. Common mistakes na ginagawa ng mga business owner is that parang gusto nilang at one shot, big shot, mag-implement ng digital transformation, ma-automate lahat ng entire department niya in one shot, ano. So nangyayari, nag-i-invest siya ng sobrang laki, at the end of the day hindi na i-implement because yung mga tao na overwhelm sila and what no. But if you want to be practical, especially if you are just starting, ang dami ng mga free technologies right now, no. May mga trial versions, may mga free versions na kahit small features lang muna yung gamitin natin, kahit mga free version lang, as at least yung return on investments natin is madali nating nakukuha. Sabi natin, no, nahihirapan tayo sa accounting dahil hindi natin nare-record yung mga transactions natin properly. Hindi natin alam kung magkano ba yung kinita natin at the end of the month. You know, you can easily implement a Google spreadsheet just to, you know, encode your transactions, no. Ang key lang doon is that, you know, paano ko ba nagka-capture ng sales, di ba? So, typically, gagawa ka ng invoice, and then, after that invoice, pupunta ka sa spreadsheet, i-record mo yung sales mo doon. Di ba? Pag nagbayad ka ng supplier, no, mag-i-issue ka ng cheque, then punta ka sa Google Sheet, i-record mo yung expense mo doon. That's the easiest and, you know, cheapest way to adopt digital transformation. So once na we get our feet wet, then nakita natin, ay, may control issue dito kasi nabubura yung transactions, no? Upgrade ngayon tayo. So again, marami ng mga software na you know, you just pay 1,000 a month, like for example, zero accounting. I think ang QuickBooks may ganyan, 1,000, 2,000 a month, di ba? So similarly, pag nag-encode ka ng invoice, meron dong part sa QuickBooks na mag-encode ka ng invoice, aalamin mo lang kung paano, or you ask somebody to train you. Then automatically, yung QuickBooks will generate a sales report.